All my beautiful black girls, say yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me relax myself. Hi, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Vicky. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for joining. Please do well to subscribe, like, and comment in this video. If you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. I love you guys so much. Now let's go into this video. There is something about your lips that you need to be careful of. The products you apply on your lips determine the appearance of your lips, right? So if you want to have the best looking lip, the plumpiest, the sexiest, the most beautiful kind of lips, then you need to give your lips some attention. You need to take care of your lips, right? So I'm going to show you in this video my #1 lip balm. This is my lips. As you can see, my lips look healthy, and I am paying attention to my lips because I know what my lips like. I reduce my usage of lipstick and I focus on lip balms, right? My everyday lip wear is usually lip balms, very simple lip balms, and that is what I advise every girly out there to do. Go and stick to one simple lip balm that you'll be using on a regular basis instead of applying lipstick every day. And now, if you're in West Africa like me, the weather is really dry, the weather is really messed up. So at this point, you should be giving your lips attention because your lips will be cracking, your lips will be drying out frequently. I have very dry lips, so I try to apply a product that will moisturize my lips and keep it moisturized for longer, like throughout the day. And there's just one product that has been able to give me that solution, because I have used multiple lipsticks, lip balm, lip gels. I have used a lot, and I have come to a conclusion that there is one product that is so reliable, and I'm going to be sharing this product with you guys. This product will moisturize your lips. This product will make your lips, if you have pink lips, it's going to enhance the pink lips. It's not promising, it doesn't promise pink lips, but if you have pink lips, it's going to help you moisturize it and keep it pink. It's going to keep your lips hydrated throughout the day. And I have used this lip balm for more than 5 years, so if I recommend it, I don't think it will be harmful. Yes, but do your own due diligence. Check the products and know if it works for your kind of lips. So let's go. So the lip balm I'll be introducing to you guys is the iTunes Beauty Lip Balm. I'll be leaving it on the screen. This is called the iTunes Beauty Lip Balm. It says that the product is nourishing, it has strawberry extract, it's for smoother and more beautiful lips. This is a new and advanced formula with it says it's effective and nourishing, emollient, and soothing actions. It can be used alone as a lip moisturizer. So it's a lip moisturizer, it's a lip balm, it's also a lip moisturizer because it moisturizes the lips and it keeps the lips smooth and moisturized for longer. So it guarantees 24 hours moisturization, and I've seen it to that effect that it works, and I have used it for many years. I've used it, this is my 5th year, if not more. So if this product is something you would like to use, then you should go for it. If you're looking for a lip moisturizer, if you're looking for something that will help you enhance your pink lips, go for it. This is the only lip balm that has worked for me as a girly that has very dry, cracking lips. My lips dries out, it peels, and it cracks on a daily basis. So this is what I use to cure that, and it works. So this is what it looks like. It does not have any color. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't have any shine. It's just there. So at my lips is now, you can look at my lips. I'm not using any lipstick. This is what I use. This is what I use on a daily basis, because I noticed that lip balms are better for the lips than lipstick. You can wear lipstick occasionally when you have weddings, when you have events, but lipstick shouldn't be a lifestyle. You shouldn't use lipsticks every day because lipsticks contain lead. They contain some harsh chemicals that can actually darken your lips, damage your lips, or lead to 1 or 2 problems, health problems you get. So that's my own recommendation. this is the lip balm I use, and I've been able to get rid of dry, chapped or cracked lips, and it suits me so well. So if you're looking for something like this, please go for it. You can get it from any pharmacy, from any store around you. Just ask them for Lighten Beauty Lip Balm. So before we end this video, please, this is not an advert, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just giving out this information based on my own usage of the product, and I think it's a very good product. That's why I am recommending. But it's up to you to do your own research before using the product. It's really nice, and I just brought it out there to share with my girlies, because I am not gatekeeping. No gatekeeping here. No gatekeeping. No gatekeeping. No. Okay, guys. Please, this is the end of the video. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you want to hear, or if you want to learn more beauty tips. Please do well to like and subscribe to my channel. I know that I have been long gone from my YouTube channel. It's due to family responsibility, you know, a woman having a baby and all of that. So I am fully back, and I will be dishing out so many lovely beauty contents. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section what video you want me to do next, as I am available for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.